Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Like the title says, say goodbye to poverty finally. If you do this, you separate yourself from hardship. You separate yourself from difficulties and delay. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. My name is Pamela. In this channel, I share spiritual tips, messages, spiritual tips that will be a blessing to you. You doing your spiritual work yourself. This channel will help to teach you how to do your spiritual work yourself. Teach you how to pray the right prayer. Do it yourself. And you see things working perfectly, just like a magic. If you love spiritual tips, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like today's video is another spiritual tips, okay? And it's going to help you greatly. I'll teach you how to use all these tips, showing you some ingredients to use so that you can do your spiritual work yourself to attract money, to attract massive wealth. So this is not only to attract money, it can open doors for you for many sources. So if you want this to work for you, you have to apply faith. Your faith is highly needed, and without the presence of God, nothing will work. So you have to take note of that, because this is very, very effective. Without the presence of God, you can go nowhere. So I'm going to show you how to make use of rice. Look at it. How to mix with one other one to make things to work perfectly for you, like opening doors. Rice helps spiritually to open doors, to bring good things to one. Any good thing you desire, if you pray alongside with it, with faith, you see it working perfectly. So this brings prosperity, okay? And the first thing you have to do, tell God to forgive your iniquities, that you are a sinner, that God should have mercy upon you. After that, you have to welcome the Holy Spirit. Tell God that you want the Holy Spirit to flow into this, to make it not be ordinary rice anymore, that you should turn it to something that will bring all good things to you, any good thing you desire. So this is another one you should make use of. Scent leaf. So I'm going to also tell you what to use in case you do not have scent leaf, or maybe you are not able to get scent leaf, or this is mostly for those people that they don't have scent leaf in their location. So scent leaf helps to get rid of negativity. It destroys evil. Combining it with this will help greatly to remove evil and welcome prosperity, open doors. So the smell also helps to attract so many good things that you desire. Just say it and you see it manifesting perfectly in your life. So get scent leaf, pray also, and tell God that He should forgive you, that you want to make use of this to banish evil, that you want to make use of this combination with rice to open doors for you. It's not any ingredients you should use, okay? This particular one, like I said, it welcomes prosperity, it opens doors. Some ingredients attract some kind of things. Like this particular one, it have the ability to remove evil and also welcome good things. So you can use it with combination of this. Do not just get any item and start using it for prosperity, okay? I'm just trying to explain to you. So watch my videos. If you check my videos, you will see that all items does not do the same thing. They all serve different purpose. So removing evil and making sure things come to you, every good thing you desire come your way. Tell God that the Holy Spirit should flow into this item and make it effective. You have to pray, with each of them. You pray with this separately, you pray with this separately, the way I just said. After that, you have to get a bucket of water or a big bowl of water. You can also use something like this if you want. Pour some amount of water in that bowl. Then you have to add your rice. Pour rice inside. After adding the rice inside, then you have to get some quantity of scent leaf. Place it into the rice, just like this. Place it into the rice, two of them together, into that water. Do not do anything, just allow it like that to soak for about some hours. Okay, within that time, it's just to make sure you extract the rice water out, and by that time this must have soaked into the water. So it's also best to leave it overnight, like allow it to stay, for example, 24 hours. Okay, that 24 hours, by that time this leaf must have infused properly. The scent leaf You know, if you check the water after 24 hours, the scent of this leaf will be inside that water. If you perceive that water, you will notice the smell of these items, and that is the best way. So allow it to soak for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you strain out the leaf, strain out the rice. That water will turn milky, and that water is what you need. So this water is so powerful at attracting wealth. What you have to do early morning or anytime you want to make use of it, add it into your bath water, or you can use it alone. Use it to cleanse yourself. Do not use soap. Cleanse yourself. As you are bathing, be praying. Tell God that you want good things to come to you, that you don't want poverty anymore, no more hardship. Allow God to take control in your life by opening your heart. Add faith into it. Make sure your faith, even if it's just little, make sure you have faith in this for it to work perfectly. Welcoming the Holy Spirit goes along with your faith. Every good thing will come your way by the grace of God. Anything you desire, God will bless you and grant it for you. So go on and try it, and everything will work perfectly for you. So in case you don't have scent leaf, or you're in a country that you cannot get scent leaf, okay, just add salt, sea salt into that rice water. Soak it together. So this is also going to help greatly. Salt removes evil and also welcome good things. You know, when there's no negative energies following one, good things will follow you. God will bless you and grant you all your heart desires. You'll be blessed richly. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I'll see you in my next video.